How do you change the name on a property title? This is Dave at titlesearch.com. If you have a property that's in a certain name and you want to change or remove or adjust a name, even add a name, what is the process of doing that? Well, first of all, you want to get some good legal advice if needed from a qualified real estate attorney, but the process normally goes by using a deed of transfer to either add a name, remove a name, maybe even change a name if somebody's become married or the name has changed for some other reason. A quitclaim deed may be a way to do that. It's not going to erase anything from the past. All the prior records will still be there, but at least it will change the name that's on the most current deed to that property. The warranty deed is a little bit better approach to make sure that the new owners have full ownership of the property. Just be sure that if there is a title insurance policy in place, that changing that name or adding a name isn't going to do anything to erase that coverage. Also, if there's a mortgage on the property or other encumbrances, that name change won't affect if those encumbrances still stay on the property. Again, good legal advice will let you know exactly what your rights are as far as encumbrances or mortgages. You also don't want to run into a scenario where a name change is going to trigger a due on sale clause with that mortgage. Most mortgages are written in such a way that if the property changes ownership, that the mortgage is due 100%. So if you're changing a name because of maybe a marriage or divorce, that's one thing, but if it's actually going into another person's name, there may be a due on sale clause. One thing to keep in mind too, if it's a case of a divorce, just because you take a name off of the title, it normally will not mean that any mortgage is clear of the person who's going off title. It may be the case that you take your name off title, but you're still responsible for the mortgage, which may not be a great scenario. If you do have questions about running a title search to see what names are on it to begin with, you can reach us at our website at titlesearch.com.